17 adorable DIY mobiles for the nursery. This dreamy mobile features dozens of tiny origami stars individually folded and strung from a wooden embroidery hoop. This shimmering cloud of paper stars adds a touch of glam to the nursery without breaking the bank. Fabric feathers add a dose of whimsy to this trendy tribal mobile. Prefer the real thing? Try color dipping white feathers or hand painting them for a more authentic tribal look. With a few alterations, a traditional dream catcher makes for a gorgeous nursery mobile, showering your little one with sweet dreams. Not sure where to start? Get the basics from this step-by-step guide. Love the shabby chic look? Recreate this gorgeous Etsy find using an embroidery hoop and scraps of fabric or ribbon. Add a splash of color to your nursery with this tissue paper tassel mobile. Want to make your project really shine? Use a little gold or silver tissue for a touch of metallic glam. This colorful cluster of paper lanterns, tissue pom-poms, and shiny paper garlands makes excellent eye candy for both you and your little one. Create your own paper pom-poms using this how-to guide. Create this light-catching, translucent mobile using pony beads, the plastic, colored beads typically used for children's crafts, and an outdoor grill. Before you hang your beautiful, new mobile in the nursery, make sure to read these 5 important safety tips. Keep baby's head in the clouds with this sweet and simple paper mobile. All you need is an hour of free time and about $5 worth of supplies. If you have paper, and a whole lot of patience, this stunning balloon mobile could be yours. Just follow these directions, and you'll be up, and away. Crushing on the geometric nursery trend? You'll love this simple cut and paste project from Tuts Plus. Get your hands messy with this fun and easy mobile project. All you need is some yarn, a few balloons and a whole lot of Elmer's glue. With over 400 colorful discs, this pretty paper mobile packs a pretty serious design punch. Smitten? Head over to Merely Mothers for the full tutorial. This modern beauty combines 2 of the hottest nursery trends, pastels and geometric shapes, into one gorgeous and inexpensive mobile. Create your own Nordic-inspired Himmeli art using colored straws and twine in this photo tutorial. Origami cranes symbolize good luck and good wishes, making them a perfect gift for a new baby. They look pretty stylish too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.